Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about something that I purchased before I went away recently. They're makeup remover towelettes by Nu-pore. I bought these to bring in my suitcase with me because it gets hard to take face wash with you sometimes, like with the liquid. I'm afraid it would accidentally spill out in my suitcase and ruin my clothes. So that's why I decided to go with the makeup remover wipes. So these are, compared to the performance of Pond's original All Day Clean, Nu-pore is to cleanse and moisturize. They remove makeup and impurities, infused with botanical to nourish and moisturize, and leave skin smooth and soft all day. So, sorry, this is a little bit messed up because I don't know why I sealed it like this, but there's 25 pre-moistened towelettes in a pack. They are 5.9 inches and 7.9 inches, so 15 centimeters and 20 by 20 centimeters. This is what they look like. Just your average looking makeup wipe. And while you guys are watching, I'm gonna just go ahead and start removing my makeup. I have it extra caked on today, and I have a lot of like waterproof mascara. So for me, usually one wipe doesn't really get the job done. I have to use like several, and I feel like maybe I didn't seal this up so good because it seems like some of the moisture came out. But sometimes I'm a little bit skeptical when it comes to makeup removing wipes because I feel like it doesn't take all your makeup off. It's just really hard sometimes. You have to like really rub to get it off, but look how much it already took off because I was like rubbing while I was talking to you guys. And there's the front. I took off my lipstick. There's the back. It's my eyeliner, my lipstick. Looking in the mirror and it's looking like it's really coming off, but I have some like stuck on mascara because it's waterproof, and my eyeliner is waterproof as well. So that makes it a little bit tougher to get out, but it's still working. Use it on my neck too, which I forget. A lot of times I get foundation on my neck and I forget to cleanse. So let's read the back of this here. It says Nu-pore Cleanse and Moisturize Makeup Remover quickly and effectively removes makeup and impurities around the eyes, face, and neck area. With just one use, your skin will feel soft, smooth, and fresh all day. Definitely true. My skin feels soft and moisturized after using this. So how to use: lift the seal to pull a towelette out, gently wipe the towelette over entire face and neck area to remove makeup and impurities, firmly reseal the package after each use, no need to rinse, and dispose of wipe in a trash receptacle. Do not flush down the toilet. Distributed by United Exchange Corporation. The address is in Cerritos, California, and there's the website, and this product was made in Korea. Do not flush down the toilet. Do not store in direct sunlight or at high temperatures. Caution: keep eyes closed completely as you would other cleansing products. In case of eye contact, rinse eyes thoroughly with water. If irritation occurs, stop use and consult a physician. External use only. Keep away from children. Let's see the ingredients: water, propylene glycol, glycerin, alcohol, sodium lauryl sulfate, disodium, I won't even try to pronounce that word, butylene glycol, polysorbate 80, cucumis sativus, cucumber fruit extract, portocala oleracea extract, vitis vinifera, grapefruit extract, aloe, leaf extract, camellia sinensis, leaf extract. Sorry, I'm butchering all these words so bad. Here's something I can pronounce: PEG 60 hydrogenated castor oil, fragrance. Sorry, it's late, guys. Getting sleepy over here trying to pronounce these. Sodium EDTA and citric acid. This product is not manufactured or distributed by Unilever, owner of the registered trademark Pond's. So I think these do a really good job of moisturizing and removing makeup, but I think I probably wear more makeup every day than the average person. I'm like a huge makeup lover, and usually what I wear is mostly waterproof, so it could be kind of tough to take off. But if you're looking at the end of the day for a really great makeup remover that won't dry out your skin, then this is it. Super convenient to carry with you in your overnight bag or suitcase or whatever the case is. So this is Nu-pore Cleanse and Moisture Makeup Remover Wipes 25 pack. I hope you guys try it and love it. Thanks for watching.